Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Universal Analyzer. In this video, we are going to see that some of the MCQs from science that will help for the 10th board exam. These are some of the samples that such MCQs will come in exam. Therefore, by solving or by practicing some of the MCQs, we will get an idea how to solve and you will get the information of those different questions. So, let's start with some of the MCQs. Here, first MCQ is that I have taken these MCQs from the question bank that I have got. So, first one is that transfer of information from molecules of DNA to mRNA is called dash process. What is the process name that DNA to mRNA? The first option is translocation, second option is translation, third option is C option is transcription, and D option, here it is D option is differentiation. Then the transfer of information from molecules of DNA to mRNA, they have told that the correct answer is C1C, that is the transcription. Translation will be from RNA to the amino acid or the protein in that way. Okay. Now let's go to the second question. Second question is that dash is a vestigial organ in human beings. Vestigial organ they have asked. Here the first option is wisdom teeth, second option B option is ear muscles, C option is body hairs, and fourth option is all the above. The correct answer is wisdom teeth. Ear muscles, it is not an vestigial organ. Body hairs is also not an vestigial organ. Now third one is protein located in bone is dash. The first option is myosin, B option is melanin, C option is hemoglobin, D option is ossin. Here myosin, it is a protein of the muscle. Remember it is of muscle. Melanin will be in the skin. Hemoglobin will be in the RBCs. Ossin will be in the bones. Therefore, the correct option is ossin, D option. Now, the fourth question is that which of the following vitamins is necessary for the synthesis of NADH2? NADH2. Then A option is vitamin B3, B option is vitamin C option is vitamin B2, and D option is vitamin K. The correct option is vitamin B3. Now, sixth one is that the first step of karyokinesis is dash. A option is anaphase, B option is telophase, C option is metaphase, and D option is prophase. The correct answer is prophase. Now, we will get confusion. How to remember the series? PM at. PM is at in this way. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. So remember this mnemonic so that you will not get confused to remember the series of karyokinesis. Now seventh question is that find odd one out. A option is stigma, B option is anther, C option is style, and D option is ovary. Here you will see that stigma, style and ovary are of the female reproductive organs, but the anther is from the male. Therefore, the odd man out is the option B. Now, next question is that eighth one, dash modern remedial technique is used if there is a problem in implantation of embryo in the uterus. The option is A option is surrogacy, B option is sperm bank. C option is in vitro fertilization. And D option is none of these. Surrogacy, it is a process where the fertilized or the growing fetus is transformed to the surrogate female. In this way, therefore, it is the technique which is used. Sperm bank, no, it will not help. In vitro fertilization, no. And none of this above. The correct option is A. Next is that implantation of the embryo occurs in. Fertilization occurs in fallopian tube, but the implantation occurs in the uterus. Option A is uterus, B is ovary, C is oviduct, and D is vagina. Therefore, the first option is the correct option for this question. Now, 10th question is that in humans, sperm production occurs in the organ dash. First option is testes, second option is scrotum, third option is prostate gland, and fourth option is ovaries. The correct option is testes. Testes produces the sperms in the humans. In this way, we have solved some of the questions, that is the MCQs, this way, which will help you in your final board exam. So, for more videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel Universal Analyzer.